In this video, I will show you how to add an Instagram link to your YouTube channel. To get started, come across to youtube.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your YouTube profile icon, and from this menu that comes up, you want to click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your YouTube Studio, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto customization. And from here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to find the links section. Now this is where you can come to add your Instagram link. So from here, just simply come across to Instagram and find the Instagram link that you want to add to your YouTube channel. Maybe that's like your Instagram profile or another page. Once you've done that, just simply copy the link from the address bar at the top, come back to your channel customization page, and what you can do is add the link here. So you can click the button here to add link, enter the Instagram link into the box here, and you can give the link a title. Now once you've done that, you can also organize your links. So if you want this to appear at the top, you can click onto the two small lines to the left hand side, hold down your left mouse button and drag this wherever you want to on your link section. Make sure to click the publish button in the top right hand corner to apply and save your changes, and that's going to add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel. So that is how to add Instagram link to YouTube. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.